Hey guys, can you believe this is our first video of 2021? It's amazing to think that we've made it through this last 12 months. It's been such an interesting period of time. I've also noticed a spike in my viewership during that period, thanks to all of you being careful and staying home and finding ways to entertain yourself without going out and mingling with a whole heap of people. So thank you for that. However, if this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next great video comes out. Now, it's been such a great year for life hacks. We've had to really make the best of what we had and come up with unique solutions to do interesting, normal or, abnormal jobs around the house. One of those is just one of the simple tasks of changing the oil on this WRX. Now, I like to use this Moreys Oil Stabilizer. It's very similar to the Lucas equivalent. I like to put it in my engines every oil change, and it just helps keep the oil up in the top end and on all the components after it's stopped, just to prevent dry starts and stuff like that. It's really good stuff. However, it's really thick, and to put it in, you've either got to sit here for about 20 minutes while it runs in the filler tube, or figure out a way to try and balance this on the filler tube so it runs in by itself. Now, previously I've tried unsuccessfully to do that. The EJ20 filler tube is on an angle and the bottle doesn't sit square, topples out. This is how I used to do it. I used to use this magnetic hook and two pieces of old coat hanger masking taped around the bottle. As you can see, doesn't really cut the mustard. So as you can see, less than ideal, and I felt like we can improve it. So what I've done, whipped up this little bad boy on our in-house prototyping 3D printer, and what she's going to do is it's going to screw in to the oil filler tube, right, just so that the bottle can sit in the top like this. Right, and as you can see, even on an extreme angle, that bottle won't topple out. It's going to make that job a hell of a lot easier. Anyway, let's try it out. Alright, so off comes our filler cap. On goes our custom funnel. Like that. How's that? And then of course, got to open our bottle of Moreys. Right, got him open and down the hatch like that. Always helps to just put a hole in the top to let the air in. So the bottle doesn't have a vacuum in it. Now we're just going to sit it there and let it do its thing. And check it out. Running out, letting gravity do all the work. Alright, so there we go, it's all in. And now we can even use this as a funnel now to put our oil in. Alright guys, well, it's all in there. Worked a treat. So now we can just unscrew it, put our oil cap on. Bob's your uncle. We can just keep that in a zip tie bag for next time. What a cool life hack that is. Now, I always like to use these K&N oil filters. If you want to see me chop one open to let you look at what's inside and have a look at the quality of it, check out that video. I'll put the link in the description below here. So anyway guys, that pretty much wraps up this episode of Nev's Garage. Please make sure you tune in next time. And the easiest possible way to do that is to subscribe. So hit that button now, toggle on the bell. Check out our Instagram, @GossenMedia, that's our handle. And take care and look after each other. I'm Nev, this is my garage. I'll see you next time.